Yeah. Mm. Yeah, guys. So I think the class notes is this one. Let me just open it. Okay. So today we are going to learn a very nice topic, very good topic called as order by. Okay. So let me just put today's date. Today's date is 14th Feb 2022. Today we are going to learn a fresh topic called as order by. Now order by is used to sort the data in ascending or descending order. Order by is used to sort the data in ascending or descending order. The keywords used. What are the keywords used to sort the data in ascending or descending? ASC for ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. Is it fine, guys? Tell me yes, no.
Yes.
Now, if you have understood this much ASC and DESC, know the rules. Everything, entire SQL will go on my rules. Just follow my rules, and SQL will be very, very simple to you. Order by is always written in the end of any SQL statement. So order by is always written in the end of any SQL statement is rule number 1. Rule number 2, by default, if we don't put ASC or DESC, it will be sorted in ascending order, but for descending order, we have to use DESC. Okay, fine, guys. Let us just see how the ascending and descending order works. So can everyone tell me why ascending and descending is used? To sort the data in which order?
Ascending or descending order?
Ascending or descending order. So if I want to sort the data, the commands used for order by is syntax I told you. What is syntax? Order by, then this particular column name, and then what you have to use is what? ASC or DESC. ASC or DESC. This is the syntax. Let us go here. Let us sort the data salary column in ascending order, so or descending order. So what I have to write? First, I will get the entire data from table. So what is the query for getting the entire data from the table? Select star from EMP. Now the syntax to sort the data in ascending and descending order is order by, then column name. Which column I want? Salary column. Now I want ascending order, so ASC, and then data's. Can you see the salary column is arranged in ascending order or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
And if I wanted in descending order, can you just tell me the query? Select star from EMP order by salary DESC. Can you see the column? This particular column is sorted in descending order. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now, next query is if I write select star from EMP order by cell, then what will happen, guys?
It will by default arrange all the data in ascending order.
Order, because we are not writing ASC, still it will take the data in ascending order.
Ascending order.
But if I write like this, select star from EMP order by cell. If I want descending, which command I have to use, guys?
DESC.
DESC. By default, we cannot get descending. We have to use a command called as DESC. Fine, guys. So this is sorted in descending order. Are you clear till this much? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
So did you understood SQL statement will be used where? In the last of any SQL, in the last of any SQL statement. SQL order by it will be used in the last of any SQL statement. Syntax is order by column name ASC DESC. If we are not explicitly writing ASC DESC, it will be sorted in ASC order. That means ascending order. And for descending, we have to write explicitly DESC. So now, guys, if you have understood this much, so what is my expectation is you have to write a query using group by, order by, everything. So you have to write a query department wise maximum salary. Let me see how many of you can write. Maximum salary where department number equals to 10 or 20 and having maximum salary greater than 2000, short the salary in descending order. This is the query. Departments wise maximum salary where department number equal to 10 or 20 and having the maximum salary greater than 2000, sort the salary in descending order. So all of you just give a try for this query fast. Let me try. Guys, order by of multiple column rules is what? First you have to use what? The column for the rule is what? The sorting will be done based on the first column only. And only if the value is same in the first column, then we will go for the second column. Let me just explain it more detail. Select the start from EMP order by department ASC. Just focus here till department ASC. That means first it will sort the department number column in which order?
Ascending order.
Ascending order. And it will not care about job. It will not care about the job column. Only and only if the values in these columns are same. See here 10, 10, 10. Is the value same or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So if the values are same only and only, then it will go for what? Other column. What is the other column? Job DSC. Which is the job? Job is here. Now this job is in which order? In the descending order. For which columns? These three records. For which records? These three records. Descending order means what, guys? Do you remember that? ABCD, if you remember. So first it will be descending order P, then M, then C. Are you able to understand? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So now this is 20, 20, 20. If the values are same, then only it will go for the next column. So sorting of multiple columns, the rule is what? It will be sorted in the first column used. Only and only if the value is same in the first column, then we will go for what? The second column. Let me just add it in the rules. Where's the rules? Yes. Yes. The rule is what? Sorting for multiple columns will happen in a way that sorting happens for the first column. Only if the values are same in the first column, then sorting will happen for the second column and so on. That means if there are three columns, if I mention, then again, if both the columns are having same values, then it will happen for what? Then it will go for the third column. Are you able to understand? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Fine, guys. So now we are going back to our queries. Okay, this is fine. Display all unique job group in descending order. Yes, tell me. What will be the query? unique job groups in descending order. Unique job means what, guys? What is the query for unique job?
Unique is it will take only the unique value.
Unique job, okay. In which order? In descending order. What is the way to guide the descending order?
Order
Order
by
by job groups DES.
Fine. Display all details of manager. Now manager will be in which column, guys? Manager will be in which column?
MJR.
job
Column. So display all details of this manager. What can be the query? Can you just think? I want this manager name also, employee number also, all these things.
Select star from EMP where job equals to manager.
Okay, fine. So what is the query for this one, guys? I want the details of manager. So job should be manager. Select a star from EMP where what?
employee number
Job. See, how will you identify that this person is a manager? Based on which column?
job
Where job equals to what? Single quotation. Why we have to give single quotation? Can anyone tell me?
because it is string
String
And data written in what?
single column.
sensitive
Not sensitive. String and data written in single quotation. Do you
single
remember my rule?
quotation.
Tell me yes or no.
Yeah, single quotation.
So I got the details of the employee where job equals to what? Manager. Are you able to understand, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Fine, guys. So now we'll go to the next query. So are you getting some confidence that you can write at least the basic queries? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So what is the details of the query? Select a star from EMP where what? Job equals to manager.
Job equals to manager. Single column.
And next is list the employee who joined before 1981. So can you think before 1981, which column will decide before 1981? This you have to think, guys.
Hire date.
Hire date should be less than what?
1981.
81. 81.
Select a star from EMP where what? Hire date
is
Less than
single quotation or not?
Yes,
First
01 Jan 81 single quotation close bracket semicolon.
Fine. Is this fine? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So are you getting the confidence that you can now write the SQL queries? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Now, yeah, this query, think. List the employee number, e-name, salary, daily salary of all employee in ascending order of their annual salary. Yes, can you just tell me?
So select EMP number, comma, e-name, comma, sal, comma, daily sal from
Guys,
EMP.
hold on. How the daily salary we will get? This is salary column. How can we get daily salary? This
Divided by 30.
Yes, this is monthly salary. If your monthly salary is 3,000 rupees, that means your daily salary is how much? 3,000 divided by 30.
Yeah.
Are you able to understand? 100 rupees is your daily salary.
Yeah.
So what will be your daily salary query, guys? Sal by
30.
Okay, then
No need of bracket here.
no. If you want, you can give. If you don't give.
Okay.
Comma.
Yeah, now tell me next.
From
Daily,
EMP.
12 into sal.
From EMP.
daily salary of all employee in what?
From
Ascending order of annual salary. What is annual salary, guys?
12.
Well, how we can get annual
Salary
guys?
into 12. Yeah.
Salary monthly, your monthly salary is 3,000. So your annual salary is how much?
Into 12.
Salary into 12 will give your annual salary or not?
Yes.
So I am giving just AN. Okay, AN is an alias name, informal name. I will tell you what is alias name. Okay. Now order by what?
Order by ascending.
AN. This particular column I have renamed it to what? AN. This is called as alias name. I will tell you what is alias name. As of now, this particular column name is AN. Order by AN. Order by what? In ascending order. That means order by AN. Are you able to understand, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Let us write down this query. Select employee number, then e-name, Then daily salary, how will get salary? Then daily salary is what? Sell
by 30.
If I want to get annual salary, sell into
Sell into 12.
12. Then
Annual salary.
so
A-
suppose I will not write. Then what I have to write? Then what is the next?
AN.
Now, if I want, I can give. If I don't, leave them. Then order by what?
by
From EMP.
Sell into 12.
into 12.
Okay, guys, tell me yes or no. Why I have got this error? Can just someone tell me?
Sir, from
They have
EMP
not
we
given
have
the,
not written.
Guys, you just keep telling me. So what I have to write here?
From EMP, no? Yeah. Order by annual salary. Annual
Are
salary.
you able to understand? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
This is AN. No, this is an informal name given to this columm. If I don't give, then also that is fine. Are you able to understand? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Guys, now if you are understanding this, let us alias name I will take separately. Let us just keep it here. So you are getting idea to write the SQL queries. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no, guys.
yes.
Yes, sir.
If you are getting idea, then think on this query. All of you think. Start preparing the query. Actually, you should think or try all these queries once. Then I will tell you the answers.
Sir, in question number 9, EXP stands for?
Experience.
Experience of manager.
But there is no experience column in the table, right?
Yeah, guys, tell me.
That's how you have put everywhere.
No, there is no experience column in the table, right? In the EMP
So,
table.
so that is what you have to think. How can you get the experience?
Sir, from higher date.
Yes, from higher date minus date of joining. Date of joining is not there. That means sys date. Sys date minus higher date. Sys date will give the current date.
Okay.
I think that graph reasons. One is the names are so long. It doesn't really display all. Second problem is that it has like a very low numbers and very high numbers. So probably this needs to be aligned somewhere else, presented in different format. That you can put this third party regulatory inspection report. Because
What is the left side one? Is it a contract or what is it? What's the bit? Yeah. Yeah, we can discuss that. Okay, we can discuss with Max and we can also see what the vendor we can put that down and we should pick up.
yeah, I mean, the other thing is compliance code, not compliance. That's another problem that I see in the color selection. Compliant is red, non-compliant is
It should be other way.
And then here also compliant down on the left side is red. No, that needs to be. The other problem there is, okay, I'm a bit confused on the left side as well. Compliant down and non-compliant down, so that color should be swapped. Check regulatory inspection compliance percentage. And yeah, there also color is changed. I think yeah, red. I mean, yes, I do understand you guys are reflecting red on many places, but when there is a compliance thing, let's not swap colors. That would be a very wrong impression when it says. I mean, if I'm looking as a compliance person, I would say, oh, so much compliance issues. I mean, it's huge, right? Because everything is red.
So basically, non-compliant should be like the compliant should be on some. You have to start.
Right. Yeah, exactly. That's everywhere actually. All code this. Can you scroll up? Let's see. I just go next time. I need to clear that
Yeah,
issue.
anyways, we'll make it uniform. Here we'll change other way.
Yeah, unfortunately, I do understand how the skill is right. That is also adding another concerns there. Even I do have, but whenever there is a compliance or absences of failures or something like that, right, you should swap the colors because that's by default the how people read graphs, right?
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, I think overall it's good from my side.
There's one more report mention.
Okay. So hey, I'm going through all this. I'm anything from like Carton, Steven, anybody who has any comments. Carton, you there or Carton there? Steven?
Monica, Daniel, comments.
Yeah, Daniel is there.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, then I think we should jump in. We should go over right now when we are good. Right. So yeah.
The only comment I have is, the contract was that's maybe a little confusing or some, but
that it doesn't have the function code. That's the one you are referring.
yeah. And I did agree with you earlier on what you said, Manish. On generally, and I prefer to, but I guess that's up to others. Left to right instead of right to left. Okay.
Then we can let us know, like, if you want to change that piece and then we can change for all the reports, but as of now, I think reports are already in production, let's keep it as for now. When the complaint comes in, like, then we can change that.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, let's see. I haven't heard back from it yet, but once people start utilizing it, we need to, I mean, I'll get back.
Sure. Go ahead, so we will conference.
Let's go
Daniel,
back
you heard
to
something?
yeah. Let's go back to the incident rate report. I can't remember which dashboard that was on. And I do agree that the DAFW rate, that push button, we would want to change that color because the gray and the off gray is too light to be able to differentiate with that. So you would want it to be, it can be red, it can be green, whatever.
Yeah.
But, okay, can we go to the incident rate report? Scroll up a little bit for me. A little more. That.
Yeah, guys, what is happening? Are you there?
Yeah,
Yes.
So, guys, how many queries did you try?
yeah. I have written 3 of them. Still writing.
Guys,
Yeah.
time up. Okay, let us just see. Okay,
Okay.
all of you pay your attention. Time is over. Okay. Next question is display the employee number, name, and all those things. Experience of all managers. Guys, how to get the experience? Can you just tell me? Select employee number, comma, e-name, comma, job, comma,
Hire date.
hire date. Experience means what, guys? The present date, his date, okay? And the date at which he has joined, okay? This I divide by 365. It will give me what? Experience. From which table? EMP table. And where what? Job equals to what?
Manager.
Manager. That is what is the query. We can also write like this. Select all those things, okay? And then if I want only the experience, so what I will write? See months between. There's a function called as months between. I will teach you. This will give the months between the 2 years. So months between, what is the date? Cease date, comma, hire date. And then I have got all the things in months. So I divide by 12. So it will become what? Year from EMP, where what? Job equals to manager.
What the mean of this date?
System date. I showed you, no? See here.
Oh, system date.
This today's date. If I want today's date, what is the query for that? Select this date from EMP. If I want, are you able to understand what is the today's date? 14th Feb, Valentine's Day. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now if I want to clear the screen, CLSCR. So now select star from EMP. Now I want the experience. So what I can write? Months between. If I want months, I can write a function months between. It will give you months between what? Today's date, comma what? The day he was hired. That means hire date. Okay. And then I divide it by 12 from EMP. So this is the experience. Are you able to understand? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So suppose someone is having 3 years of experience. How can I get it? Suppose he has joined on 14th Feb 2022. He is currently, it is 14th Feb 2022 and he joined on 2019, okay, 14th Feb. So what will happen? So the difference of the month is what? 36. Now 36 by 12. That means how many years? 3 years or not? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, please repeat, sir.
So 2019, 14th Feb, someone joined. So the difference in the month from today's date to the date he was hired is how many? Can you just tell me?
36.
And if I divide by 12, how many years?
3 years.
Are you able to understand? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is, guys, this is in the form of months. This is in the form of year. If I have to get in the form of year, I will divide by 365. So this is simple query. This is what? List the employee number, e-name, salary, experience. I already told you months between this and this. Experience of all the employee working for manager 7369, where employee number equals to what? 73.
7369.
Fine, guys. Display all the details of employee whose commission is more than the salary. Can you just tell me the query? Select a star from EMP, where what?
Where
Greater than
from
salary.
Commission is greater than salary.
salary.
List the employee in the ascending order of designation of those who joined after second half of 1981. These three queries you just first practice, then I'll tell you. It's simple. List the employees. What is the query? Select a star from
MP order by
what?
Order by job ascending. AC
Order by their
job ascending.
order by of designation of those joined after second half of 1981. How will I get after second half of 1981?
01.
First
July.
Yes, guys. Suppose I want the e-name, hire date, okay, from EMP, and then where hire date should be what? Greater than what? Second half of 1981 means what?
Yeah, greater than or equals to 1 July 81.
No, why you're telling greater than or equals to? It should be greater than second half. It is not
After.
telling the greater than or equal to second half. Greater than what?
Okay. 01.
30 June 81. 30
Second
June.
half means what, guys? In a year, what is the sixth month?
June.
81.
Yes. Any year, what is the year? Suppose I take
81.
30 June
81.
Are you able to understand, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Second half order, and then order by will be used what? In the last. Order by job in the ascending order.
Ascending.
You were telling me order by first, Ramkrishna. No.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't do like that. Okay, list the employee and their experience. This is like same only. These two you just try. Okay. And tell me this query is tomorrow. So are you getting some confidence, guys, in writing SQL? Tell me yes or no.
Basic query I can solve.
Yes, basic query. That is what is the expectation. Now only basic classes has gone. So basic query you just execute from where? From that particular PDF. Are you using that PDF? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Where is that PDF? Let me just open that PDF. Yeah, this is the PDF I have shared you guys. Just go through this, see that you are able to solve or not. I have the answers also in this particular in this particular sheet. So first write down the questions, and then what you have to do? Then you have to practice these queries, and then you have to tell me that you are able to understand, not able to understand, and all those things. Are you able to understand, guys? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.